So welcome to our project, and today we are going to do a short interview with all the three teams, and we will ask their interest. Okay, let's see together. Hey, welcome to Team One. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. So what project are you going to do, everybody?
How to develop full skill in English.
So how to develop 4 skills in English? What are the skills that?
There are speaking, writing, listening, and reading.
Oh, so do you believe that your team will get the high points?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, we'll see in the presentation tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so welcome to Team 2. How are you, Team 2?
I'm great.
Okay, so what are you going to do today?
I am making a project about how to develop full skills in English.
Okay, so do you have all the materials you need for your project?
Yes.
Is there any problem with the team?
Yes, because we don't have scissors.
Oh, so we don't have the scissors, so that is a challenge. So you have to borrow from the other team or from someone else, right?
Yes.
Okay, so wish you good luck for tomorrow and do your project well. Bye, everybody. Team 3.
Bye.
Hello, welcome to Team 3. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, are you ready for your project?
Yes.
So, do you have all the tools and instruments, materials for your project?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so your team, there are
There
four
are
members, right?
Yes.
And do you believe that tomorrow you will win the high scores?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so wow, your member is trying to draw a logo of idea. That's great. So, do you have anything to say at the end of the video?
Nothing.
Nothing. So just want to get high scores tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, so can't wait to see that. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Hello. So we will see which team is the best team for tomorrow's project. And right now they're so busy with making their own project and writing, cutting. So we can't see who is the best, but tomorrow we will know. Okay.